Today marks a significant milestone, not only for Tropic Wood Industries and Pine Group, but for the future of the forestry sector and our broader economic transformation journey. We gather to officially break ground for the new Carriage Sawmill, an investment that represents far more than just a modern processing facility. It represents our commitment to transforming forestry from a resource-based industry into a value-added, globally competitive, and sustained sector. For many years, Fiji forests have supported livelihoods. They have supported communities and economic activity. However, the greatest value is achieved when we process, when we manufacture and create products of higher value right here in Fiji. Today, we take an important step towards changing that narrative. This project reflects the aspiration of Vision 2050, which is building a resilient, productive, and prosperous Fiji, where our natural resources are sustainably utilized to create opportunities for the current and future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Carriage Sawmill project demonstrates the type of investment that is required to transform our economy. With an investment of approximately $35 million, this project reflects confidence in the future of Fiji's forestry and our ability to compete in international markets. It represents investments in higher value addition, improved productivity, skilled employment, technology and innovation, export competitiveness, and sustainable utilization of our natural resources. By strengthening our timber processing capacity, Fiji will retain greater economic value within the country, will create more opportunities for local businesses, and will generate stronger returns from our forest resources. This is how we build a stronger economy, by investing in productive industries that create jobs, expand opportunities, and contribute to long-term national growth. This investment comes at an opportune time, a very important time for Fiji's forestry sector. Our mahogany plantation are among Fiji's most valuable natural resources, recognized internationally for their premium quality and market potential. But we must utilize them now. I believe the experts are saying that they could start losing their value with age, like me. However, the value of this resource is not realized through investing on harvesting alone. The opportunity lies in processing, manufacturing, and producing higher value timber products that can compete globally. The new Carriage Sawmill will strengthen our ability to maximize the value of Fiji's mahogany resources, generating greater economic returns, supporting skills development and its employment, and creating opportunities throughout the supply chain. This is the pathway towards a forestry industry that contributes meaningfully to Fiji's ambition of becoming a resilient, high-income economy. We are the center of this investment. At the center of this investment are we, the people of Fiji. We are there. We're right in the middle of it. We are the center, we are the heart, we are the core of it. But particularly our Tauke landowners and communities whose stewardship of the forest makes this industry possible. Our forests are not simply economic assets. They represent our identity. They represent our heritage and responsibility to future generations. Government believes that sustainable development must ensure that those who are custodians of our resources are also meaningful partners in their economic utilization. Through strong partnership, this project will support employment opportunities, skills development, local business participation, greater economic activities, and long-term benefits for landowning communities. When government, traditional owners, communities, and investors work together, development becomes more inclusive, sustainable, and impactful. Projects such as this and of this scale are achieved through vision, collaboration, and perseverance. And I congratulate those in leadership who foresaw the need for this development. The journey toward today's milestone required careful planning, adaptation, and commitment from many stakeholders. I commend the leadership, the management, and the employees of Tropic Wood Industries and Fiji Pine Group for their determination to overcome challenges and bring this important project to fruition. The efforts demonstrate that progress is possible when we work together with a shared purpose and confidence in Fiji's future. As government continues to encourage investment and economic growth, we remain committed to ensuring that development is supported by good governance, informed decision-making, and strong partnerships. Our role is to create an environment where businesses can invest, innovate, create, and contribute to national development. I thank the Chairman for acknowledging the role of government, not just this government, all governments, in creating the environment for all these developments to happen. The measure of this project is not only the size of the investment, but the opportunities it creates for the people. The new Carriage Sawmill project will contribute to Fiji's economy by creating employment during construction and during operations, developing skilled workers in modern timber processing, supporting local contractors, suppliers, and expanding Fiji's export capacity through higher value products. The government that I am honored to lead at the moment firmly believes that sustainable economic growth must be built through partnership with the private sector. Government cannot create opportunity or prosperity alone. Our responsibility is to establish the condition for businesses, for investors, for entrepreneurs, and communities to succeed. This project sends a clear message. Fiji is open for responsible investment. We welcome investors who share our commitment to sustainably develop our country. Those who are committed to innovation, job creation, inclusive growth, because together we can build a stronger, more diversified, and more resilient economy. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this milestone, we must also recognize our responsibility as custodians of Fiji's natural environment, particularly leaders, chiefs of landowning communities. The future of forestry must be built on sustainability, climate resilience, and responsible management. Our forests provide economic opportunities, but they also protect our environment. They support biodiversity and strengthen the resilience of our communities. The new Carriage Sawmill project represents the balance that we seek, creating economic opportunities while ensuring that our forest resources remain protected and productive for generations to come. Today, we are not simply breaking ground for a new sawmill. We are breaking ground for a new chapter in Fiji's economic transformation. We're demonstrating that our natural resources can become the foundation for value creation, innovation, and inclusive prosperity. We are demonstrating that when government, traditional landowners, communities work together, and the private sector unite behind a common vision, we can achieve great things for our nation. I congratulate the Executive Chairman, Dr. Rabuka, the Board of Directors, the management, and employees of Tropic Wood. Kami natatak ay ke, binawalew na nomunitad. Binawalew na nomuningungumutuan. Ni marret yumay na ilalang mo. Nita kanya ni Natalita kanabi, tos taliso sa tuguan. We acknowledge and thank the traditional owners, landowners, the government agencies, partners and contractors, and all stakeholders who have contributed to this achievement. As we turn the sod today, let us do so with confidence and determination. Confidence in our resources, confidence in our people, confidence in Fiji's future. Together we will continue building a Fiji where our resources create prosperity, where our communities are empowered, and where future generations inherit a stronger and more resilient nation. God bless these projects. God bless the workers and their families. God bless the chiefs and the landowners. And may God continue to bless Fiji